Check out fatalgrips.com for cool accessories for all of your gaming peripherals. Use code TL for a 10% discount on all your orders. Link in the description. Hello boys, TIL here, and if you didn't tell by me either A, the intro, or B, me saying TIL and not TL Films, it's facelift time, and that also means it's time to upgrade that, my bitch. That black and green monolith in the background there. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn her off, take her apart, and take all of the glorious items in the boxes behind me there, and we're going to fill her up with all sorts of new parts and everything. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to see you on the stage. What? Okay, so here we are on the in the dining room. Got my bitch on the table, ready to gutter in it and get this upgrade started. So let's get right down to the biz and get this side panel taken off before we do anything. Well, it's kind of mandatory, otherwise if you've got a side panel in the way, you can't get in your computer. So it's kind of mandatory to get this thing off, so let's do it now. It's a bit stubborn sometimes, I'll have to put the phone down for this, hang on. There we go. Well, there we are, I've got the side panel off now. Just take a quick little gander. It's not the tidiest piece in the world, but it's better than some things I've seen in my lifetime. So let's just get down to biz and take a look at the parts that are going that. Right, let's get introduction kits off with this, the CPU. This is the brand new Broadwell-E Intel Core i7 6850K. This is one of Intel's top of the range chips, so don't expect this to be a slouch at all. And let's move on to the next one. Alright, next new component is the motherboard, the ASUS Republic of Gamers Strix X99 Gaming. Gee, that was a bit of a mouthful, but anyway, this is ASUS motherboard down there. And it's got a load of cool features like a OC socket, RGB light and everything like that. And speaking of RGB lighting, I bought this. This is a cable mod RGB kit for a very special reason. It's got the ASUS Aura features, which will allow me to customize the light in the ASUS Aura software. But I didn't just buy one. I got not one, not two, but three of these bad boys, and they're going to go into that case. Ready to light the entire thing up. And once all lit up, it is going to look sick. And as I've opted for a Intel Extreme Core i7, we're going to need some serious cooling horsepower to keep those horses under control. So I've invested in this sucker right here. The Corsair HX850i GTX. This is one pretty damn potent sucker, I've got to say. It's got a 240mm radiator, 2-stack pressure optimized fans, liquid cooling, yada yada yada. Keep it short, it's awesome, I bought it, so the end. And now you're probably wondering, what is in this box? Well, I'm going to show you now, so just put the phone down, so this is a two-hand job. Well, got the lid open, so let's take this little bag of air out of the way. This is a 32GB Corsair Dominator Platinum kit. It's going to be upgrading from 16 gigs of Vengeance Pro in the current box. There. This is the current upgrading for the current 16 gigs of Vengeance Pro in the current AMD system, which you can see down in there. And also, it's got two of those. Those are Corsair Dominator Airflow Platinum LED fans, which will keep it nice and cool even when running absolutely flat out, which is pretty darn cool. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this motherboard unboxed and see exactly what we're dealing with. Hopefully this will be a one-handed job, but I doubt it. Yeah, just thought it's another two-handed job. Sorry, phone. So I've got the lid off, and as you can see, there's the ASUS motherboard, the sexy as fuck Strix in its anti-static bag. I don't think getting this out one-handed is the safest job in the world, but I'm going to try it anyway. As soon as I move this flap and then take the bag. Oh, it's in the whole, it's in the box itself. So taking this box out here. So we'll take a look at the rest of the box later. But for now, I'm just going to get the boards nice and safe out of the way. There we go. And so what else we got in the box here? We've got a IO shield, standard. Quick user guide, standard. Driver disc, standard. Cable ties, interesting. SLI bridge, standard. Not sure what that is. Is that not sure? Not exactly sure what that is. It's got what's that label on it? Hang on. What's it labelled? It's got a GRB. Not exactly sure what that is. Finish in the manual. This it's got a Wi-Fi antenna. That's pretty cool. Onboard Wi-Fi for my bitch now. One of the key flaws of it. That speaker, ground, 5V and stuff. I think that's if you got not got pins on the other end or something like that. Or I think it allows you to make it easier to put your front power connectors in. Let's see what else we've got here. This is I'm not sure what that's for, to be honest with you. You're screwing there some sort of nut or something in there. Interesting. SAT cables, standard equipment. What else is interesting? We've got these Strix decals in here as well. These are coming with right colours. Got a pink, green, which I'll be using, and it looks, I think, clear. Let's just take another look at that when we get it out. Looks like safety information. Looks like a board layout. Some stickers for your cables, so you know which cables are which, and some stickers to put on your fans. And finally, we have this. This is a CPU installation tool. So you so it's put the it's got an anti-static sheet and a little tool here, so you allows you to put the CPU in the socket without damaging pins, which is really cool. So without further ado, let's get this board out of the box and see exactly what we're dealing with. And so here we are. I've got the ASUS Strix motherboard out of the box here, and see it's got a myriad of options. Got how many PCI Express slots? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 PCI Express slots, which is very, very cool. We've got 2 headers, bunch of fan stuff, CPU socket, obviously, all the power and everything like that we need to power this new bitch. So I'm going to get back to you as soon as we get the processor in there. Right, there we go, we've got the CPU installed. There she is, looking all nice and sexy in there. Also opted for the green decals here. We've got the green Strix and the green RG logo there. So what's next? We're going to put the RAM and the RAM fans into these slots here, and I'll get back to you when that is done. Right, got the 2 RAM fans installed and the RAM underneath. There we are. See the RAM underneath there. The Corsair Dominator DDR4s underneath them both. So what's left now is to get this in the case. Lord help. Well, that and got the innards first. Right, so this is where we're up to. We've got the board ready. Got the CPU in, RAM fans and the RAM and RAM sticks themselves in. I've gutted the bitches innards, and now all that's left is to get the board in there and get all the extra stuff inside. And then that will be the upgrade complete. Right, okay, this is where we're sitting at this moment in time. We've got the motherboard mounted in the case and everything's all looking good. So what's next? We're gonna get that in. Oh lord. Well, here we are. We've got the new PC up on the desk now, ready to rock and roll. So I couldn't get all the footage I wanted to, since it kind of dragged on for longer than I anticipated. But anyway, I built her. She's all ready to go and everything. So so this kicks off basically with a bang, and everything's all good. So I've been Tyrell. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. I'm out. See ya. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for all the latest updates in regards to everything. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitch to watch all my live streams and get notifications when I go live. Also, be sure to watch my previous video by clicking the annotation on the screen right now.